everyone, welcome back to my channel where I craft it forward in this tutorial by sharing my DIY melt the ice fleece hat pattern. This is very easy, very fun, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So I want to share some background on how these hats have come about. They are a symbol of resistance and solidarity. The red knitting hats in Minnesota, particularly the melt the ice pattern, have become a symbol of resistance and solidarity. The trend began as a project inspired by the Norwegian resistance during the World War II, where the red hats were worn as a sign of unity and defiance against occupation and corruption. The pattern has gained popularity with proceeds from sales directed to support the immigrant communities affected by the immigration enforcement in Minnesota. This movement reflects a broader cultural expression of solidarity and resistance resonating with communities worldwide. This hat is now celebrated on February 26th of each year, representing such values as democracy, humanity, and unity among people. And this has become a big staple right now. It's really becoming really popular on the social media and craft sites. And I just wanted to come up with a pattern that even the non-traditional crafter can do. So I hope you enjoy it. So I made two variations of this hat. This first one is, I did the brim and I just folded it up and used fabric glue for that. And then I only did one seam on the back. The other variation, which I cover in the tutorial, is having two panels and sewing them together on the sides, which means you would have two side seams. And then for the brim, I just did a running stitch all the way around and then stretched it as I went to give you some room to fit over the hat. But the choice is yours, whichever you find easier. As far as the fringes go, those are optional in terms of length. I used the corners of the hat that I cut off, stretched them. Some of them were stretchable and some of them weren't. This was the leftover from the yardage of the fleece. It's up to you. You can make them straight or you can make them curly. It's crafter's choice. One last thing, you do have a choice of making these hats on the sewing machine or sewing them by hand, which I prefer. And also I will be coming up with two more patterns, a knitting pattern, circular knitting machine pattern, and also a crochet pattern. So if you want to be alerted for when those patterns come out, just hit the subscribe and the notification bell. So let's get started.